Mexican toasted sweet potato rounds with cotija and lime. Serves 4. Prep time 35 minutes. Let's make a quick and flavorful side. For large sweet potatoes, washed and sliced into 1/4 inch rounds. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. 1 lime, cut into wedges. 1/2 cup of crumbled cotija cheese. 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro. 1/4 cup of sour cream for drizzling. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Wash 4 large sweet potatoes under cold water and pat them dry with a clean towel. Slice each sweet potato into 1/4 inch rounds using a sharp knife so they cook evenly. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Brush the oil and spice mixture onto both sides of the sweet potato rounds on a baking sheet until evenly coated. Heat a large cast iron skillet over medium-high heat until hot. Place the sweet potato rounds in a single layer and do not overcrowd the pan. Cook the rounds for 3 to 4 minutes on the first side until golden brown and toasted, then flip and cook 2 to 3 minutes more until tender and charred at the edges. Transfer the toasted sweet potato rounds to a warm plate as you finish batches so they stay hot. Squeeze the juice of 1 lime over the hot sweet potato rounds for bright acidity. Sprinkle 1/2 cup of crumbled cotija cheese evenly over the sweet potato rounds. Drizzle 1/4 cup of sour cream over the rounds in a thin ribbon to add creaminess. Scatter 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro on top for herbal brightness. Finish with an extra lime wedge for serving and a final squeeze to taste. Now the toasted sweet potatoes are ready. Enjoy and remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more recipes. That is our Mexican toasted sweet potato. 4 servings ready in 35 minutes. If you liked this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for more cooking ideas.